The Brother SE2000 sewing and embroidery machine is a powerful machine, yet the basics are fairly easy to learn to use. You can be up and creating something shortly after unboxing it. I'm going to demonstrate making an embroidered pillow. Some of the features include a 3.7-inch LCD touchscreen display, which allows for easy on-screen editing, including letter editing, enhanced zoom, resizing, rotating, repositioning, and combining designs. Here I've selected one of the 193 built-in embroidery designs that come with the machine, and I'm changing the color thread to something closer to what I'd like to use for my project. As a side note, I'm using a metal pegboard with screws and nuts to organize my embroidery thread, making it easy to find the colors I want to use for my project. It's also very easy to thread the bobbin. You can adjust the speed from normal to fast, and then loading the bobbin is super easy as well. Just slip off the clear cover and insert the bobbin with the thread going counterclockwise. Threading the machine is as easy as following the labeled steps from 1 to 9. Simply add your thread to the spool holder and trace the steps. Step 9 actually auto-threads the needle, which is probably my favorite part of this machine. The max hoop size for the SE2000 is a 5x7. With the foot up, you can slide your hooped material under it and pop in the hoop into the notch slots on the embroidery arm. Now you're ready to start embroidering by simply lowering the foot and pressing the green up arrow button. You can see progress on the LCD screen, and when the machine completes a color, it stops, prompting you for the next color. Simply press the scissor button to cut the thread, remove the current thread, and rethread the machine with the next color. When done, press the up green arrow button, and the machine starts stitching. Repeat this process for each color. When the design is completely done, simply raise the foot, press the lever on the embroidery arm to remove the hoop. This machine comes with a jump stitch trimming function, which automatically trims any excess jump threads and is a huge improvement from previous models. Now that the embroidery part is complete, I'm going to remove the embroidery arm by pressing the lever underneath and sliding it off. I'm then going to insert the sewing arm, but first open it up and get the sewing foot I need for this project along with the flat screw. It's fairly easy to remove the embroidery foot and attach the sewing foot. From here, you rethread the sewing machine with sewing thread. Make sure that you plug in the sewing foot pedal, and off you go. The pillow turned out super cute and was so much fun to make. I absolutely love the Brother SE2000.